Today I'm going to show you how you can trade on Berry. If you don't have an account, you can click in the first link in the description. It will take you to this page where you're going to register. I will not go through the registration process. You can check my other video that shows the registration process. In this video I'll show you how to trade. So you log in into your account. After logging in successfully, you come here where there are three lines and you come to spot trading. When you come to spot trading, you choose the coin that you're supposed to trade. For instance, we give you a signal to say we are trading EEC at 20 hours. So exactly 20 hours, you come here on top, you click where it says EEC. This is the coin here. I'll click on it. As you can see here, it has changed EEC/USDT. This is the coin that we are trading. Then exactly that time you buy. So you click buy and you put in the amount here. The amount shows here where it's written green. The amount shows here. This amount available balance, you put it here to buy. So in this case I've got 6.2836. When I click buy, then I have bought this coin. I'll wait for the selling time. If selling time it's at 2050, I'm going to come back to this coin. I'll choose EEC, the same coin EEC. When I come here, I'm going to choose sell. When it's exactly that time, I'll click sell, and the amount will always be showing the selling price here. You just put the selling price. When you put the selling price, you put sell, and you're good to go. This is how we trade on Berry. Every day we receive signals in your groups. You can check signals every day. That shows us how the coin is for that particular day. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. God bless.